Confidently building every Luxair unit starts with a quality mindset, looking at every detail from every angle. The materials, the process, the craft. We take hundreds of steps and make hundreds of decisions, long before a unit reaches the job site. Opportunities to check and recheck the work at every turn. We know attention to small details makes a big difference. Repeatable processes drive consistency, and automation drives greater precision. Because performance in the field starts with discipline here. Because your reputation with customers starts with focus here. We look at every detail so you can look ahead to the next job, to the next customer counting on you, so you can be confident the unit is built to perform and backed by people who take details seriously. That's the idea behind every Luxair unit. Quality is our mindset.